Hi guys, I hope you all are well. Just before watching my vlog, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Enjoy the vlog. Guys, how you all doing today? Welcome back to Kashif'S world. So today we've come to Ladypool Road in Birmingham to try 3-in-1 burger. Now I like to try the smash burger, so I thought to myself, you know what, I've had it before and I just want to go down there again and just have the burger again. So let's go inside and let's take a look at the burger. This is inside, guys. Look at this. You've got a nice big photograph of the burgers here. We've got plenty of seating areas inside here as well. A seating area this side as well. We've got the menu here. Look at that. They've got different kind of variety of food here. I've gone for the smash burger, which was £4, and we also gone for the peri fries, which is £2. So I can't wait to try these. So here we are, we've got our burger and we've got our fries, the peri fries. Right, let's take a look at this. Let's open the burger first of all. Hey guys, check this out. Look at that, that looks unreal. Wow. Right, first of all, the burger is looking absolutely phenomenal. Let's open the lid. Look at that, beautiful. So you got plenty of cheese in that. You got lettuce, and the bread is nice and soft as well. Right, let's give this a taste. Yummy. The meat is very meaty, and it's plenty of flavors coming out of that, and it's just absolutely delicious. Wow. Also, we got the sauce here. Right, let's give this a taste as well. There we are, look at this. Wow, look at that. Very nice. Let's give these chips a taste as well. The peri salted chips, look at this. Right. Very nice. Look at the potato content as well. Potato content looks amazing, and there's very nice crunchy chips. Do get some mayonnaise as well, but we won't bother about that today. And guys, so we've just finished our meal there, and I must say, as always, this was outstanding. I must recommend you guys coming to 3-in-1 in Birmingham to try the smash burgers out. I'm sure you will enjoy it just the way we have as well. So yeah, it was fantastic, good customer service as well. People behind the counter, nice, friendly, very smiling. So let's finish up the vlog here, everyone. I hope everyone enjoyed that. If you enjoyed it, give it a like, comment, subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you all for the next one.